Are you looking to embed YouTube channel videos in WordPress page? This video is for you. First, we need to install Feeds for YouTube plugin. Connect to YouTube to create a feed. From Customize tab, we can select layout type. Let's try gallery view first. Copy the feed shortcode from here and create a page for YouTube gallery. In free version you will have just 3 layouts: grid, gallery and list view. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe for more WordPress plugin videos.